Yes, listen carefully. Now I will give you the fifth question. What I didn't give yesterday, that is needle. That is little bit different. And all terms we have in fraction form. See, show that the progression minus 3 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 2 by 9, so on is GP. We have to show this is GP. To show this is GP, simple. If you will get this by this and this by this and this by this same, that means common ratio if you get equal, that is called GP. And also we have to find first one. What we have to find? Same like previous questions, first term and second one, common term, common term, and third one. What is third bit? Nth term, and the fourth. What is the fourth bit? Sixth term is asking here. Sixth term. Sixth term is asking. So I will give you the solution. This is also same as T's previous one, but little bit different. What that is? All terms we have in fraction form. All terms we have in fraction form. Okay, whatever it is, first write the given progression. What is given? Minus 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by 9 comma so on. This is given. So clearly this is the first term T1, this is the second term T2, this is the third term T3, and this is fourth term, and so on. See here, T1 is this minus 3 by 4. I am writing clearly. T1 is equal to minus 3 by 4. T2 is equal to 1 by 2. T3 is equal to minus 1 by 3. T4 is equal to 2 by 9. So on, more terms there, but here they are given only 4 terms. Now we have to show this progression is GP. When we can say this is GP, when you will get the ratio is equal this by this by this, and this by this, that is nothing but T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2 equal to T4 by T3. If you'll get same, then we can say this is GP. First I'm finding T2 by T1. What is T2? This is T2. 1 by 2 by, what is T1? Minus 3 by 4. I told you yesterday, if you are like this, if you take this is numerator, this will be numerator, this will be denominator. Then we can write 1 by 2 into this 3 by minus 3 by 4. If you take numerator, 4 by minus 3. 4 by minus 3. I told you already. Yesterday I told you. Okay. Sorry. Before yesterday I told you. Now 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja cancel. Why? Because these are in multiple. Na? That's why we can cancel. This is. And remaining 1 2 ja 2 by 1 3 ja 3. But minus is there, minus 3. Then we can write what? This minus you should write for numerator. Don't for denominator. Minus 2 by 3. This is what? T2 by T1. Again I'm finding what? T3 by T2. Again ratio. T3 by T2 is equal to, what is T3? T3 is minus 1 by 3. This is T3 minus 1 by 3 by, and what is T2? T2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, I told you na, this will be numerator, this will be denominator. Same like if you write like this will be numerator, this will be denominator. That is first time writing minus 1 by 3. See 1 by 2 I wrote na, and this I wrote 4 by minus 3. This is also 2 by 1 into 2 by 1. See 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 3 into 1 3 minus 2 by 3. See same. If you do T4 by T3 also you will get same. Similarly T4 by T3 also minus 2 by 3. Therefore, the common ratio is equal. Is equal. Therefore, this progression, this progression is called GP. This progression is called what? GP. Yeah, that is the first question. Show that this progression is GP completed. And also is asking what? First term, sorry, common ratio, nth term, sixth term. And the first term we can write first bit. First term. First term. A is equal to. Jibin, what is the first term? Can you say? Jibin, what is the first term? Jibin, what is the first term, Jibin? Keep in unmute. Keep in unmute. Don't mute. Yeah. What is the first term? What is the first term? What?
-3/4, sir.
Yeah, -3/4. Very good. And second bit, what is the common ratio? Common ratio. What is common ratio?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what is common ratio, Jibin?
Sir, -2/3.
Minus
-2/3.
-2/3. Very good. This is the common ratio. And the third bit is what? And the third bit we have to find nth term. What is the formula for nth term, Jibin?
Sir, P is equals to A
A r power
R
n minus 1. R power n minus 1 is equal to, this is the nth term, but we have A value and we have R value. I am substituting. A is what? -3/4 into R is what? -2/3 whole power n minus 1. This is nth term. And also we have to find the last what? Sixth term. So now I am finding sixth term by using this formula. The fourth bit I am writing, that is, the fourth bit is sixth term. Sixth term means n equal to 6. N equal to, we have to take 6. Then T6 is equal to A r power 6 minus 1. Already we have A is equal to what? -3/4. A is equal to, we have already -3/4. And R we got already common ratio -2/3. So we are substituting here. A -3/4 into R -2/3 whole power 6 minus 1 is 5. So up to here actually the question is, the solution is finished, but we have to simplify. Why? Because we are learning maths, na? That's why we should simplify. That is -3/4 into here -2/3 whole power 5 is there, na? This 5 is odd number. I will give you some information here. Suppose 2 power 3 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 is the answer. If you have 2 power -3, sorry, -2 power 3, if you have -2 power 3, what is the answer? Not 8, you will get -8. How, sir? This is -2, we have 3 times. -2 into -2 into -2 is equal to minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. One more example I am giving you. Suppose 7 power, suppose 7 power 2, 7 power 2. That is clearly what? 7 into 7. 7 7 ja 49. All are positive. Suppose -7 power 3. That is -7 into -7 into -7. That is what? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 7 7 ja 49. 49 7 ja 7 9 ja 63. 7 4 ja 28 plus 6 34. So like this, if you have power even, suppose for minus, if you have power, this is -2. See here what we learn here, -2 power 3 is what? -8. Suppose -2 power 4 is equal to what? -2 into -2 into -2 into -2 is equal to what? Minus into
-16.
minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus again plus. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. This is plus 16. This is -8. Okay. When you have power odd number, you will get minus. When you have power even number, you will get plus. That is the concept. You should remember this when your power even positive, power odd, negative value. This is minus 8 because power odd. See explanation. This is power even. This is positive number. Explanation. Here we have power what? Odd number. So you will get what? Minus value. Okay. I'm applying this power for numerator and denominator. Then you will get minus 2 whole power 5 by 3 power 5. This is also formula we have. What is that formula? A by B whole power n. If you have like it, you can apply this n for numerator and you can apply this for denominator. Here also we are applying this power for numerator and we are applying this power for denominator. Minus 2 power 5, 3 power 5. Now minus 2 power 5, that is power is odd, you will get minus value. So we will check now. I am checking, see, minus 2, see, this minus 3 by 4 I am writing first. Minus 3 by 4 into minus 2 5 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 5 times I wrote. By 3 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times. This is rougher. Now here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus, plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So you no need to do like this, minus into plus into minus into plus into. Just see power is what? Odd. You will get minus. Power is what? Even. You will get plus. But you have to multiply all values. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. The value is 32, but negative or positive power. What is the power? 5. So negative. And here also, I'm writing here, see, complete solution minus 3 by 4 as it is. Minus 3 by 4 as it is into the value of this is 32, but minus 32. Why? Because 5 times you have na minus 32 by 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja. I'm writing only 81 into 3. I'm not multiplying. Why? Because these 3 will get cancelled. And 4 1 ja 4 8 ja cancel. Now this is equal to here minus 1 is there, minus 1 into here minus 8 is there, minus 8 by here 1 is there, 1 into here 81 is there, 81 is equal to minus into minus plus 1 8 ja 8 by 81. This is the sixth term. This is the sixth term. What is asking sixth term? The sixth term is what? 8 by 81. Again I'm telling you, don't get confusion. For negative value, if you have power odd, you will get negative value. The product is negative. For negative value, if you have even power, the product is positive. The product is positive. The product is negative. Why? Odd power. The product is positive. Why? Even power. The product is negative. Why? Odd power. 2 power 3 na? Minus 2 power 3. So minus value, but power odd. The product we should multiply. First we should multiply 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. But what 8? Minus 8. Why minus 8? Power is odd. Here power 4. 4 times. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. But which 16 plus 16? Why plus 16? Power even. If you want explanation, see, this is the explanation. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, again minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, again minus. So this is the solution of this. So Jibin,
Yes, sir.
I will send you pics, okay? I will
Okay,
continue
sir.
now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Why? Because I'm writing in notebook, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now one more question I want to give you, that is question number 7. This model I gave you already. Once again, I'm giving you one question and I will give you one question as homework. Okay. What is the question? Which term of, listen carefully, this type of questions also very important. which term of GP 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 so on is 768. 768. See this type of example I gave you. Here what is the question? There is a series, GP series is given. I am writing once again. Solution given 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 comma so on. One series is given. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is third term. This is fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, like this many terms. I mean, up to n terms there we have. Here, this is fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term. First term value 3, second term value 6, third term value 12, fourth term value 24, fifth term value 48. It will be okay. 22, 24 2 ja. Why? Because the common ratio is 2. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48, 48 2 somewhere you will get 768, not last term, somewhere this is the not last term. Okay, somewhere you will get 768. Is asking that 768 is which term. Up to fourth term given. This is fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term, 11th term. Which term that is asking. This 768 is which term is asking. Now we will find this is which term by using general term. Okay, and is given clearly GP. This series is given clearly GP. Therefore, this is the first term. The first, very easy this method actually, but this is very important. The first term A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. And the common ratio, and the common ratio R is equal to 6 by 3 or 12 by 6 or 24 by 12, whatever it is you can do, you will get same ratio. That is I am doing 6 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. That implies common ratio R is equal to 2. First term A is equal to 3. Now what is the general term? General term Tn is equal to A R power n minus 1. This Tn, I mean this general term is given what? 768. Now given Tn, I mean we don't know na, that's why we are taking n. 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, which term we don't know. We will get after solving, we will get. That's why I'm taking Tn is given 768. Now substitute in this Tn formula, general term formula, that is Tn 768 is equal to A 3 into R 2 power n minus 1. We don't know this n only. We have to find this n. N means what? Which term? Second term, third term, fourth term. This is 1 means n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. So first term n equal to 1, second term n equal to 2, like that. We have to find the n value. If you will get n equal to, suppose n equal to 8, if you will get, this 768 is nothing but 8th term. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th term will be 768. That's why we are finding the value of n. So 768 3. We can cancel 3 into 3 with the 768 or 768 by 3. I'm taking 3 this side. 768, I'm writing here. 768 by 3 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6. More 1 is there na, 1 6 means 16, but 3 5 ja 15, it will be cancelled. From 16, if you subtract 15, 1 is there. 1 8 means 18. 3 6 ja 18. So we got here 256. So 256 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. And here we have to use one more formula. I gave you some formulas yesterday. I mean before previous class. I am writing once again those formulas. Always, not only for this chapter, for maximum chapters, this is general mathematics. That formulas I'm giving. See, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, a power m into a power minus n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, and a power m is equal to a power n, that implies m is equal to n, and a by b whole power m or whole power n is equal to a power n by b power n. Okay, bases same, powers addition, bases same, powers addition, but with negative. See, we can write this to this and this to this, and here a power m, a power n, bases equal, powers also equal. Here for both fraction we have one power, we can apply for both fractions separately the power. See, I am writing this formula reverse, that is what, a power m minus n is nothing but what, a power m into a power minus n. This equal to this or this equal to this. See, this only here and this only here. So we can write this equal to this and this, that equal to this. We can interchange, no problem. See, once again, I'm writing one more formula. If you have x power minus 1, the power is what? Negative. To write the power into positive, this will be 1 by x. This will be 1 by x. Suppose if you have x power minus 2, this will be 1 by x square. Suppose if you have x power minus 100, this will be 1 by x power 100. Suppose, I'm writing one more here. Suppose 1 by x power minus 1, that will be taking numerator x power plus 1. 1 by x power minus 2, if you take numerator x power plus 2. 1 by x power minus 100, taking numerator x power plus 100. So remember, these are very useful in further studies. Simple. If your power negative, write denominator positive. If your power denominator negative, take numerator positive. Here, your negative power in denominator, na, if you take numerator, it will be positive. Here, the negative power in numerator, na, if you take denominator, it will be positive. A denominator negative power, taking numerator positive. A numerator negative power, taking denominator positive. So these we will use here. Now I'm coming to the solution. See, solution 256 is equal to 2 power n minus 1 is there. I'm writing by using this formula. By using this formula, a power m minus n. We can write a power m into a power minus n, that is 2 power n into 2 power minus 1. A power m, a power minus m, that is a power m minus n. Okay, now this power is negative, na? If your power negative, you can write the term as denominator, then it will be positive. That is what, 256 is equal to 2 power n into 1 by 2 power 1. Power 1 is always nothing. If you write any value x, how many x terms? 1. If you have p, how many p terms? 1. The power is always 1. Okay, that's why this 2 power minus 1 will be 1 by 2, means 2 power 1. Since this is denominator, na, if you take this side, it will be numerator. Now I am writing 256 into 2 is equal to 2 power n. Now you have to find the LCM for 256. I am doing here 256. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 6 16. 2 8 ja 16, 128 2 ja 256, and 2. 2 6 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. And 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. And 2 1 ja 2 and 12. 1 2 12. 2 6 ja 12. 2 8 ja 12. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja. How many 2 terms we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And already one more is there, na? I'm writing once again. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 for 256, but one more is there. Into 2, 9 is equal to 2 power n. How many 2 terms we are? 9. Na? So we can write 2 power 9 is equal to 2 power n. Then a power m, a power n. See, a power m, a power n. Then m equal to n kada. Then what is the value of n? That is n equal to 9. Since by using this formula, since by using this formula, since by using this formula. So if you know formulas, it is, sorry, see here, 256. 256 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 8 two terms for 256. More 2 is there. Total 8 plus 1, 9. 2 power 9 is equal to 2 power n. Now, a power m is equal to a power n formula we have now. A power m is equal to a power n. Then m equal to n kada. Then m equal to n means n equal to 9. N equal to 9. So, the term which is given 768 is which term? Ninth term. The lastly we have to write what? Therefore, the given 768 is ninth term. Ninth term. That is the solution for this question. Okay, this is the solution for this question.
Sir,
Now, homework questions. Question number 8. Which term of GP 5, 10, 20, 40, so on is 640? Same like previous question. Same like previous question. Okay. I'm not giving any hint also. And one more, ninth one. If you will not get any solution, please in tomorrow's class ask me. Ninth one. Which term of GP root 3 comma 3 comma 3 root 3 comma 9 comma so on is 729? 729. So here this is the series. If you write term by term like this, 729 somewhere you will get. That is which term? Seventh term, eighth term, ninth term. In previous question we got ninth term is 769. Here this also 640 is which term? 10th, 9th, 8th, which term? Okay, this is easily we can say this is what T1, T2, T3, T4. T5 will be 42 ja. Why? Because 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 22 ja 40, 42 ja 80, 82 ja 160, 162 ja 320, 322 ja 640. So mean fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth term. This will be answer is eighth term. This is eighth term, and this is also some term you will get. Okay, when you solve, then you will get the solution. And uh, don't afraid of this about this root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3 like that. Why? Because to find this term is which one, you need to find what is, see here what we find to find that, to find 768 is which term, we need compulsory R and A. These two are very important. You have to find what is A, what is R. A, clearly he will be given 3, and for this question A is 5, and R 10 by 5 is 2, 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3, how we will do 3 by root 3? I told you 3 by root 3 if given, this 3 root 3 will not get cancelled, but this 3 we can write, I told you, root 3 into root 3 by already root 3. Why? Because A is equal to root A into root A is a formula. Okay, I gave you already. So 3 we can write root 3 into root 3 by already root 3. 1 root 3 will get cancelled. What is the common ratio? R is equal to, we got root 3, and the first term is again root 3. A is equal to root 3. Now by using these two, and what is the formula, general formula, general term formula, Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Okay, and one more also I will tell you here. Then can I give you this?
Yes, sir.
Can I explain this? This take as homework. I will explain this. Okay, Lucky?
I'll do, sir.
సరే
ఇది చెప్పనా చేస్తావా?
ఆ,
ఇది చెప్పనా చేస్తావా? ఇది
చెప్పు.
చెప్పనా? What about you, Jibin?
I'll do, sir.
Will do na?
You say, sir.
Will you do?
I'll do, sir.
Then tomorrow we will discuss. If you will not get answer, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lucky. Okay, రాకపోతే tomorrow we'll discuss this problem. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yes. Now I will give you question number 10. That is what I will write. See, find the GP. Find the GP. Find the GP whose fifth and eighth terms. Whose fifth and eighth terms. Eighth terms in this question given fifth term and eighth term are 80 and 640 respectively. So here the series is not given like this 3, 6, 12, 24 like that. The GP is not given, but in that progression, fifth term is given, eighth term is given. Suppose if the progression I am taking as T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, so on up to Tn, we have sums, we have terms. In this GP, fifth term is given. What is the fifth term is saying? 80. First term not given, second term not given, third term not given, fourth term not given, but fifth term is given. Sixth term not given, seventh term not given, eighth term is given. What is eighth term? 640. Ninth not given, 10th not given, so on. Last one also not given. Just given fifth term, eighth term. He's asking what? What is first term, second term, third term, fourth term? Means he's asking total series is what? What is the progression he is asking? Very easy. This is also a solution I am writing. Given fifth term. What is the fifth term? Is fifth term is given 80. 80. Then I am doing here. Therefore, n equal to 5. Fifth term means n equal to 5. First term means n equal to 1. N equal to 5. And the general term formula. General term Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1 is the formula. Here given which term? Fifth term. Therefore, if you substitute n equal to 5 here, T5 is equal to a r power 5 minus 1. Why 5 minus 1? Here also we have n. Here 5, then here also should be 5. This is which term? This is nth term, general formula. This is which term now? Fifth term. That fifth term is given how much? 80. We have to write this is equal to 80. That implies a r power 5 minus 1, 4 is equal to 80. Equation number 1. Now, eighth term. What is eighth term is given? Eighth term is given 640. 640. Therefore, n is equal to 8 means eighth term. And the general term formula is this. I am not writing again, but I am substituting in place of n 8. Therefore, T8 is equal to a r power 8 minus 1. But this eighth term is given how much? 640 na? So this is equal to 640. That implies a r power 8 minus 1, 7 is equal to 640. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now, apply 2 divided by 1. Apply 2 divided by 1. This by this if you apply, you will get answer. Now I am doing, when you are dividing in G, you should divide LHS by LHS, RHS by RHS. Now I am writing LHS is what? A r power 7. Here LHS is what? By a r power 4 is equal to, here RHS is what? 640. Here RHS is what? 80. Similar questions already we learned, I think. Okay. Now a cancel. Why we are doing 2 minus 1, sir? We can do 1 minus 2 also, no, sir? Yeah, we can do, but these two equation values are big comparing to this one. Then if you write like this, you will get the proper fraction. Okay, you will get the integer directly. That's why we are writing. Okay, a cancel, 0 0 cancel, 8 1 ja 8 8 ja 64, and here r power 7 r power 4 na, this 4 r's here in 7 4 cancel, more remaining 3 is there. How sir? See, if you have doubt I will explain to you. See, after cancel a more r power 7 is there, and by r power 4 is there. This we can understand na, 0 0 cancel, 8 1 ja 8 8 ja cancel. Okay, I'm explaining r power 7 by r power 4. 3 how there is remaining 3 I'm explaining. R power 7 means what? R into R into R into R into R into R into R 7 times. By R power 4 means R into R into R into R 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 R's cancel. Remaining what? 3 na, that is R power 3. So R power 3 is equal to remaining what? 8. This 8 we should write in terms of cube. Why? Because R power cube is LHS na. You should write this 8 also something power cube. Then this 8 we can write what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is what? 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This 8 we can write 2 cube. So R cube is equal to 2 cube. Cube cube cancel, that implies what is R? 2. Or we got what? 2. Now we have to find A also, first term. Then substitute this R equal to 2 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. What is equation number 1? This is equation number 1. I'm substituting, see, A, I'm writing first this equation, A R power 4 is equal to 80. That implies A as it is. What is R value? 2. So 2 power 4 is equal to 80. 2 power 4 value what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So that implies A into 16 is equal to 80. Now A is equal to 80 by, if you take 16 that side, this will be denominator. Why? Because here multiple taking, that's a denominator. 16 1 ja, 16 5 ja. That implies what is A value? 5. What is R value? 2. Now how you can form series? I'm writing here in this page. We got A value 5, A value is 5, R value is 2. If you have these two, enough to form the GP. Now what is the first term? A. That is term 1 is equal to A is equal to 5. Term 2 is equal to AR is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Term 3 is equal to AR square is equal to 5 into 2 square is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20. T4 is equal to AR cube is equal to 5 into 2 cube is equal to 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So on. Tn is equal to A R power n minus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 power n minus 1. Therefore, the GP series is first term 5, then 10, then 20, then 40, so on, 5 into 2 power n minus 1. So this is the GP series. Okay, this is the solution for this question. Understand, Jibin? Jibin?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, now I will give you one more question as homework. This compulsory you have to do. Compulsory you have to do. Remember this. This is in terms of fraction. Remember one thing. If you get fear, you can't get solution. First believe yourself. Okay, be confident, then you will get the solution. And the question number 12 is, question number 11 I will give you, 12 I am giving you. Find GP, find GP whose fourth term, copy this is homework. Fourth and seventh terms are 1 by 18 and minus 1 by 486 respectively. Here you have fractions. Then also please don't get fear. How much you can solve? Solve first. And when I when I'm taking tomorrow class, I will show your notes through this Zoom. I will show how much you solved, where you did mistake, and what I have to give you more. I can learn from that solution. That's why 100% you should solve this, and 100% I will take tomorrow early morning. Remember, Jibin, early morning 5 or 5:30. Remember this, Jibin. Yeah, listen. We know already. We know already the general terms in AP are, have you remember Jibin? A minus D comma A plus D are the general terms. Okay, A minus D comma A plus D. If you want to write a 5, you can write A, this is A minus D, this is A plus D, and this is A minus 2D, and this is A plus 2D, 5 terms. If you want to write 7 terms, 3D, 3D, 5D, 5D, like that, 4D, 4D, 5D, 5D, 6D, like that, you can write more terms also. In the same way, in GP also, in GP, we have 3 terms, general terms we are saying, 3 terms are A comma, A by R comma, AR, sorry, A comma, AR comma, A by R, A comma, AR comma, A by R. Please remember these terms. In GP, what are the 3 general terms? If I ask you, you have to say A comma, AR comma, A by R, sir. What is the common ratio? Common ratio. What is the common ratio? Small r. What is the common ratio? Small r. Should remember this. The first term is A, already we know. Common ratio is R. What are the general terms in AP? A minus D, A plus D. What are the general sums in GP? A, AR, A plus R, A by R. A minus D, A plus D in AP, in arithmetic progression. AAR, A by R in GP, geometric progression. GP, geometric progression. Okay, na? So you should remember. Now I will give you one more question that is very easy question and small solution that is having. That is question number 13. For what values of x, the numbers x plus 9 comma x minus 6 and 4 are in GP, or in GP. So see here, how many terms given? Solution I am writing. Given terms x plus 9 one term, x minus 6 one more term, 4 one more term. These are in what? GP. But for which values of x? Should get some value of x when these are in GP. We know already, if the terms are in GP, suppose just now we taken 3 terms, what they are? A, AR, A by R. Okay na? Suppose if these, how we can say these are in GP? I told you, if any terms are in GP, the ratio is same. If you do this by this, I am applying here. A, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. I am finding what? T2 by T1. T2 AR by T1 A cancel R. Again I am finding T3 by T2. T3 by T2 is what? T3 A by R by T2 AR. See here, this is equal to, sorry, T3 by T A 1 minute. What is the condition for GP? You should get the ratio is same. Here also you should get R. So we are not getting na. That's why the terms are same. A, AR, A by R, but the order is wrong. What is order? A by R, comma, A, comma, ER. Now we will check. First, this by this. T1, T2, T3. First I am doing what? T2 by T1 is nothing but T2 is what? A by T1 is nothing but what? A by R. This denominator of denominator will be numerator, I told you. Then A, this R will be the multiple R by A cancel. What we got here? R. Now second we will apply. What is that second one? T3 by T2 we will apply now. T3 by T2 is nothing but what? T3 AR by T2 A cancel is R. So if any terms are in GP, the common ratio, if you substitute, if you divide this by this and this by this and next by that and next by that, you will get the common ratio. The ratio is same. That is only common ratio. Here also in this question, if you observe, given three terms, T1, T2, T3. I'm writing, see, T1 is what? X plus 9. T2 is what? T2 is what? X minus 6. T3 is what? 4. But from this, T2 by T1 the value is smaller. T3 by T2 value also smaller. So T2 by T1 is always equal to T3 by T2. That I am writing here. We know T2 by T1 is equal to always T3 by T2. This we know already. Why? Because just now we proved here. See, T2 by T1 is smaller. T2 by T1 is smaller. T3 by T2 also smaller. So these two are smaller. So these two are equal. That only I am writing here. These two are equal. Now what is T2? X minus 6. What is T1? X plus 9 is equal to T3 4 by T2 x minus 6. Now cross multiplication, x minus 6 into x minus 6, x minus 6 into x minus 6 is equal to 4 into x plus 9. Now x minus 6 into x minus 6 means, suppose 2 into 2 we can write 2 square kada. Then here also we can write x minus 6 we can write x minus 6 whole square is equal to, this is 4 into x, 4x, 4 9 ja 9 4 ja 36. Now this is a minus b whole square. That is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. That is a square x square minus 2ab. This is a, this is b. 2 into 6, 12, 12 into x, 12x plus b square, 6 square, 6 6 ja 36 is equal to 4x plus 36. 36 cancel. Now remaining what? X square minus 12x is equal to 4x. Take minus plus 4x this side, that will be minus 4x. X square minus 12x minus 4x is equal to remaining what here? 0 remaining. 4x already this side. Na? Now x square minus 12x minus 4x will be minus 16x is equal to 0. If you observe, here one x term, here one x term, we can take x common. Taking x common here, one more x minus here remaining 16 is equal to 0. Now 0 product rule. This is one term, this is one term. Then this is equal to 0 we can write, this is equal to 0 we can write. This is factorization. So x is equal to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 16. So what are the values? One is 0, one is 16. So he's asking for what values of x. This is GP. For what values? For x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 16. For these two values 0 and 16, this is GP. That is the solution of this question. Okay. So the today's session is closed. I will send you all photos in WhatsApp and 100% you should copy the solution. Thank you. I will take tomorrow again class.